This question is good, and you will have to be very careful towards the final stages of this question where the calculations will be done. Okay, so some approximation techniques can be used to save time in the final stages. A truck driver brings a big tank that has 15,000 liters. He takes out X percentage, then he takes out X plus 30, then he takes out X plus 60, and then he takes out X plus 80 percentage. And every time he replaces whatever mixture has been taken out with the equal quantity of water. Okay, so this question becomes a question of removal and replacement, right? Now, it is done such that the final amount of juice left is 243 liters. So, very simple case of removal and replacement, but calculations will be slightly tough. So, let's have a look at this. So, I'll apply the direct formula of removal and replacement. So, final quantity of juice, that is 243 liters, is equal to initial quantity of juice, which is 15,000 liters. Okay, now first of all he replaced X percentage, so percentage left will be 100 minus X whole divided by 100. Okay, so this will be the fraction of mixture that is left over. In the second case, so he's taking out X minus 30, so leftover will be 100 minus X minus 30. Okay, whole divided by 100. Now the same thing is repeated two more times. So 100 minus x, sorry, यहाँ पे x plus 30 होना चाहिए. So x plus 60 whole divided by 100. Okay, and final step 100 minus x plus 80 whole divided by 100. Okay, now we'll have to simplify this to find out the value of x. But we'll not simplify it, we'll be using either options or we'll be using some approximation techniques. So let's write this once again, simplified form. So 243, 15,000, I can cancel out 3. So 81 upon 5,000, चलो अभी लिख देते हैं, 5,000 is equal to 100 minus x upon 100. Then here it is 70 minus x upon 100. Then 40 minus x upon 100. And then 20 minus x upon 100. Okay, now it is clear that the value of x is less than 20 because 20 minus x is there, and we have options which all are less than 20. So right now no use of looking at the options. Now further it simplifies to 100 and double zero will get cancelled, then 50 and 100 will get cancelled. So it comes out to be, so let's factorize it. So 81 is 3 raised to the power 4 multiplied by the denominator of the right hand side. So 2 into 100 into 100. So that is 2 raised to the power 5 into 5 raised to the power 4. And that can be written as 100 minus x into 70 minus x into 40 minus x into 20 minus x. Now the easiest option that I can see is 10. Also the reason of considering 10 is, on the left hand side, I have 2 raised to the power 5 and 5 raised to the power 4. Now this number is basically 162 followed by 4 zeros. Okay, so on the left hand side, if the number is ending with 4 zeros, then on the right hand side, the number should also end with 4 zeros. Okay, now if I put 12 as the value of x, I'll get 88 multiplied by 58 multiplied by 28 multiplied by 8. So in this, I don't have any zero at the end. 88 into 58 into 28 into 8 will not end with even a single zero. I need 4 zeros. Okay, so I cannot consider 12 from the option. The same reason is I cannot consider 8, because if I'll put 8 as the value of x, I'll get 92 multiplied by 62 multiplied by 32 multiplied by 12. Same is the reason why I cannot put 6 from the options. 100 minus 6, 94 multiplied by 64 multiplied by 34 multiplied by 14. No zero at the end. So only 10 is the favorable option. So if I'll put 10, I'll get 90 into 60 into 30 into 10. So 10 4 zeros separate कर दिए अगर मैंने, 9 into 6 is 54 into 3 162, 4 zeros at the end. So left hand side and right hand side are matching. So I can say that 10 will be the correct answer of this question.